Come on, Splash.
Alright guys, so we're here on the hunt for this elusive Volkswagen bus that I've only seen one picture of. You know, it's from far away, some sort of bay window bus. And we're gonna be jumping on some horses and hopefully we're gonna find it. That's the first car I've seen go by in a long time. This is quite the place. So apparently it's about 3 or 4 miles from here, up in the hills. So we're gonna hopefully contact the owner. We know one of the farm hands here is relatives with the owner. Wish us luck. We're gonna be jumping on the horses and heading up. Let's do this. Yeah. Alright, so we are literally on horses on the hunt for a VW bus. Yes, we are. Got my 2 sisters with me, and we are in an undisclosed location looking for this elusive bus that's apparently in a barn out here. So we're gonna try to meet with the owner sometime this weekend and see what's up. Look at those horses running. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at the horses running over there. Look at us. He's like, hey, there's some friends. Is that your friends there, Millie? Is that your friends coming? Okay, whoa. Alright, there it is, right there. I don't know if you can see it in the bus there. Uh-oh, horses are charging. They're protecting their bus.
Yeah.
Just went for a ride and Millie decided, we hosed her off and she decided she roll in the dirt. Thanks for the ride, buddy. Thanks for the ride. We got Gavin, Delaney showing us the way. We're gonna go see if he's home to look at this bus. I got a little video. Alright, there is the barn. I mean, what a setting. This is the most beautiful setting. The bus is in that barn. It is. It's like the epitome of a barn find. This is no joke. Get in there and at least check it out. We don't want to go on his property without his permission. Looks to be a 68 to 71 low light bay window. Hard to tell the condition. Looks like it's missing the front bumper. I'm so excited. Alright, well, he wasn't home, so we're gonna have to try again tomorrow. So again, we don't want to get up in there until we get permission. I'm gonna stop here and take a picture. Hello. It's Saturday morning. Just walking back from the drifter cabin to the house. It's raining a little bit. And it's super beautiful. It's raining all day today, I think, so we're gonna go into town, do some shopping. The new cabin's right there. Alright, so all the pigs got out. Come on, little piggies, let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh, they're so cute. Come on. Come on, piggies. Come on, piggies. This is so funny. What's up, Bo? Bo dog. Bo's sitting here helping us guard the donkeys. Hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw. Right, Bo? Oh, uh-oh. Bo got the stick. Go get the stick. I was on pig feeding duty tonight. These guys are hilarious. They're so fat. They like push each other out of the way. Like, let me get in there. Yours is better over there. Let me get that. Howdy. My name is James. I'm looking for a pretty little thing with dreadlocks, maybe into yoga, probably vegetarian. They could come ride with me on a horse every once in a while. Nice to meet you.